AMD, one of our big trades today. So AMD had a big news, which was partnership with OpenAI. It was pushing towards the all-time high. When something is rejecting all-time highs, you just use that risk to short it. So AMD was rejecting the all-time highs. As soon as that happened, as soon as I saw that, I told the traders to short it. So pre-market plan says big gap up on the news. ATH is 227.30, long over ATH. Careful if breaks 512. Air gap below the clouds. So AMD failed the highs, could not break the pre-market highs, could not break the all-time highs. So I told the traders no long yet, profit taking so far. If it breaks 512, it will be a gap and grab. So you buy the puts, whatever you want to do. You want to short it a little early, risky 227, you can short it 224. But when I saw this weakness, this is where I told the traders at 942s, at 220s to short it. We short it 220s, we put our stops at $150. Let's say 100 shares, you're risking $150, and once it flushed to 206, you made $1,400 and you just risked $150. That's how you do it. So anyways, my step-by-step guidance, I gave the 211 first target, then we moved the stops to 220. Then I told the traders you could short AMDL, that's a good leverage ETF. Then we moved our stops break even as it started to flush. We took 30% off there. I told the traders once we break 210, we're gonna go lower. 204, 205 was my final target. It bounced from 206 level, we lost 60%. When it tried to curl here, we got out because it was trying to curl. But then it failed again. Then it finally hit those 204, 205 targets. So it was the main trade was at the open. Beautiful 100%, couple 100% on the options as well. And you don't get such an A+ setup. This is an A+ setup. You short it, just sit back. I mean, what's the worst that could happen? It could squeeze to all-time highs. You lose, but it's an A+ setup because a huge gap. There's going to be some profit taking. We know that. So now we watch. If AMD holds 200, we'll bounce it again. If AMD breaks 200, we're going to fill the gap again. Do not forget what Oracle did. Oracle did the same thing, ran crazy, and then it sold off for the days, and then it went and chopped around, bouncing from the daily chart. So always remember the setups. AMD, gap and crap setup. Another one that was really good was Microsoft. Microsoft was also on our game plan. Profit target raised to 675 by Wells Fargo, holding 1 hour MTF, interested to long over the Friday highs. I told the traders triggered long, good strength, and there was a long right here over Friday highs, 520. 525 was my target that I gave at 955. We hit our 525 target, we pulled back, and then this was called a reclaim. Reclaim, and 523 was tops, and it was bouncing right from that 523, and then it ran all the way to 531. A beautiful long trade on Microsoft today. We had the plan, we executed the plan. I'm really proud of this Microsoft winner as well.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.